How to allow clients to pay for premium plans in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we need to manage our client's site. So for example, if you're still a part of their site, what you can do is you can click onto this upgrade option right here. However, if you're not a part of their site anymore, you can just direct them into this tutorial in order to see how they can pay for premium plans. So in this particular window, it will show us the premium plans that we have. So it depends on what kind of plan they need. It can be an enterprise, elite for the business growth, plus to capture leads and boost sales, standard to accept online payments, and basic to build online brands. So just choosing here which one or which plan they actually need for their actual business. So each of these plans have different features, and you can see in here which features are available and how is it limited to this particular plans. Once they have selected, just click onto the select button onto that particular plan. Choose in here a billing cycle. For example, let's choose monthly. And click onto this continue to checkout. Now, after that, next thing we need to do is to just input right here their payment details. So they can input their details right here or create the payment request for them and then send them in your client email address. Once you have inputted their address, click onto the send request and it should be able to help them purchase this particular premium plan. So that's how you allow clients to pay for premium plans in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.